Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks, and this is part two. Going to be a little short video on a little bit more on this. This video hadn't been out very long. Somebody already asked me how I drew this. A perfect crescent moon that would spin on itself and be pretty much a perfect circle. Well, I wasn't going to make a video just for that, but I started thinking, if you look at the rotation, center is center. So this kind of explains what's happening in that other video. If you go up here, the center goes up to this corner of the bounty box. If you go here, it goes right in the middle. It follows it around the item, and that's where it's going to spin it from, those corners. And then if you're in the middle, you're going to be in the middle. But the way I drew it, to make a perfect circle, you take a ellipse button and hold down the control button. Then to take part of that ellipse out, you do an arc. So now I've got a perfect continuing line. All I did was go over to the artistic media tool, grab that one that has sharp points on both sides that I was just using earlier today. Now, when it doesn't show up, you need to go up or down the scale. So that way you have a perfect line. Now, before I do anything, you notice when I move this one, it's got a line in the middle of it, where this one doesn't. Always when you start playing with it, because it could cause you problems in the future, go up and break it apart and take that line out. What that line is, if you draw on a hairline, it's really there. And it could cut. You know, if you're a laser engraver, this is not. This is just a fill of that line. And going back to showing how perfect it is, it's almost 100% round. If it's not, zooming in here, that's pretty round. Anyway, I hope that answered a couple of questions, and thank you for watching.